How to watch CBS on Paramount Plus. Open the Paramount Plus website or app. Sign up for a Paramount Plus account if you do not have one. Choose the premium subscription plan to access CBS Live. Enter your payment details to complete the subscription. Download and install the Paramount Plus app on your device. Open the app after installation. Log in with your Paramount Plus account credentials. Allow location permissions if asked. Go to the Live TV section inside the app. Look for the CBS Live channel option. Select CBS from the available live TV channels. Wait for the stream to load on your screen. Adjust video settings if you want better quality. Start watching CBS programs live on Paramount Plus. Thank you for watching.